Hello students. Today let us study Roman numbers. This is your chapter 2. So far you are very much familiar with writing numbers with the help of Hindu Arabic systems. And in Hindu Arabic system you use the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? These are the 10 digits. And using the digits, you write many numbers in your daily life. But today I am going to tell you something about the Roman numerals. And these are written in the capital letters of English alphabets, which were discovered by Roman people. Okay? And nowadays in many circumstances also use these numbers. Okay? Sometimes you write your standard 5 in standard V. Similarly, standard 6 as standard VI. So, these are the Roman numerals V, VI, IX, X, L, like this. Okay. So, I want to tell you there are 7 Roman numerals or Roman symbols. And these are, I am going to write on the blackboard. Look at I, V, X, L, C, D, M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The value of I is 1. The value of V is 5. The value of X is 10. The value of L is 50. The value of C is 100. The value of D is 500. And the value of M is 1000. Okay. And with the help of 7 Roman numerals, you can write many numbers in Roman form. Okay. So let us study in which way we write the Roman numerals and how the value will correspond to the numbers of the Hindu Arabic system. Okay. So let me discuss you some rules. Just like while writing the numbers, we take the help of digits and using some or few or repeating, we write the numbers. Similarly, in Roman numerals, we also repeat the numbers. Okay, we repeat the numbers. And when the numbers are repeated, let us take example. This is I. Okay, this is I. The value of I equal to 1 and the value of another I equal to 1, and both the values of I are added and you get the number 2. Okay. Now let write I. Okay. So here the value of I corresponds to 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Similarly, the value of IB equal to, the value of x Okay, we can write 10 plus 10 plus 10, this equal to 30. So listen, I have written I here for 2 times. Here I have written I for 3 times. Here also I have written x for 3 times. Shall I write x for 4 times? No, we are not supposed to write the Roman numerals more than 3 times. So, okay, so you are permitted to write the Roman numerals for 3 times only. And among the 7 Roman numerals, 3 Roman numerals are there. These are V, these are what? V, L and D. V, L, D. These are not repeated. These are not repeated. Okay. So we cannot write a Roman numeral more than 3 times, and we are not supposed to repeat V, L, D. Okay. But we can repeat for 3 times and find the number. In Hindu Arabic system, just the values are added and we get the number. Okay. Next rule, rule number 2. Let us take one example, I, B. Okay. Let us take example I, B. The value of I equal to 1 and the value of B equal to 5. Listen. The value of the symbol I is less than the value of the symbol B and it is placed on the left hand side. Okay. In this case, you have to subtract the value of the Roman numeral or symbol from the value of the Roman numeral which is on the right hand side. Means the value of B equal to 5 and the value of 1 equal to value of I equal to 1, so you get the number 4. Similarly, take the example of Ix. Okay. Here is also I is written on the left hand side of x, the value of x equal to 10 and the value of I equal to 1. In this case also, to find the number, we do 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Okay. So this is the rule. When 2 symbols are placed and smaller one is placed on the left hand sides and bigger one is placed on the right hand side, in this case subtraction is done. Next rule, if a Roman symbol or letter is placed on the right hand side which is smaller value, in this case the values are added. Take the example of VIII. Got it? VII. So the value of V equal to 5 and the value of I equal to 1. Again the value of I equal to 1. Again the value of I equal to 1. So you get the number 8. Okay. Next, XV. Okay. See, the value of x equal to 10 and the value of v equal to 5. Being it is written on the right hand side, its value is to be added with the value of x. So you get 10 plus 5 equal to 15. Okay. Suppose you have written like this, LII. Got it? The value of I equal to, its value is 50. So the value will be 50 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 52. Okay. Next rule. This is the fourth and final rule. Okay. When a Roman numeral of smaller value is placed in between the two Roman numeral. Take the example of XIX. Okay. Its value is 10. its value is also 10 and I is written in between the two x. In this case, the value of I is subtracted from the value of the Roman numeral which is written on the right hand side, then that is added with the value of x. And so while writing, you can write 10 plus 10 minus 1. This equal to 10 plus 9 equal to 19. Okay. Similarly, x I v. Got it? So value of x equal to 10 plus the value of I first will be subtracted from the value of b, that is 5 minus 1. This equal to 10 plus 4 equal to 14. Okay. So in this way we write all the Roman numbers. Okay. So listen. The value of x equal to 10. The value of xx equal to 20. The values of x equal to 30. And the values of 40. Okay, that is known as what? XL. XL equal to 40. And the values of L equal to 50. And the values of LX equal to 60. Suppose you want to write the numbers which are in between x and xx. Then you start writing just xi, xii, xiii, xiv, xv, xvi, xvii, xviii, xix. So in this way, in between 20-30 or 30-40 or 40-50 or 50-60, if you want to write the middle numbers, you have to write in this manner. Okay. Similarly, the numbers between 20 and 30 can be written as xxi, xxii, xxiii, xxiv, xxv, xxvi, xxvii, xxvii, xxix, then xxx. Got it? So it is already written 3 times. Then you are not going to write x for 4 times. So in this case, you have to start like this. See, XL. I have already calculated this value. Okay, being x is written on the left hand side of L, whose value is less than the values of L, and it is what? 50 minus 10 equal to 40. Okay, so in between XL and L, you have to write XLI, XLii, XLii in the similar manner. Okay, so these are the basic rule about writing the Roman numerals. And listen students, just like we have 0 in the Indo-Arabic system, okay, you can find 0 in Roman numbers. Okay, there is no such symbols or Roman numeral which has value equal to 0, which is equal to 0. And next thing, in Hindu-Arabic system, just like we place the digits in place value charts, but you cannot place the Roman numerals in place value charts. Okay, So I think you understand the topic, and if you have any query, you can get back to me in the next class. All the best. Do the exercise. Okay, your homework is exercise 2. All the best. Have a nice day.